followed a fairly traditional path out of high school. I felt societal expectations and on myself, especially as a migrant, that my parents had sacrificed everything, that I should make them proud. And how I thought I would make them proud was by following a traditional career path. So I studied law and economics at university for 7 years. And then I landed a job at a corporate sort of law, economics firm in Sydney. But I wasn't feeling fulfilled. And I realized actually what my parents really wanted was for me to be happy. And I owed that to myself as well. So in 2017, I quit my corporate job at Sydney at Deloitte Access Economics, and I founded my own social enterprise. I really wanted to help young people. I was passionate about suicide prevention. And I knew if I could get into high schools and sort of give them the skills from something as simple as writing a resume, which I had done, to showing them that they could leave the corporate world, to even public speaking, something I was passionate about, that maybe I could inspire in them their self-belief that they could do anything they put their mind to.